Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a personal card and also a group card on Instacart so you can shop alone or with friends and family. First, let's start with your personal app. Make sure to open the Instacart app, and within the home screen, you can just start adding items you want to buy by browsing the stores or using the search bar. Once you add the product, it will directly redirect you to the store page where it shows different recommendation products. You can just simply tap on the card icon given at the bottom and it shows the list of the product that you have added personally. But if you want to shop together with others, you can just simply create a group card. In order to create a group card, tap the invite icon given at the top right corner within the store page, where this opens the invite friends and family screen. Here you will see some short instruction, and if you are unsure, tap on how to work within the instruction, where you can see the full workflow. Below the instruction, there are 3 ways to invite people, where you can invite the people through social media apps or copy link, which copy the link to share anywhere. Or if you don't want to use the 2 of them, you can just simply tap send a text and it opens your SMS app with a default message. You can just pick up the phone number and tap send, and once your friend or family accept the invitation, their name appear under your family section, and everyone can add items to the group card in real time. When you are ready, one person can check out from the whole group, and that's it. You now know how to manage your personal card and create a group card on Instacart, making shopping flexible, collaborative, as well as super convenient. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.